Hello everyone. We will complete the angle bisector and proportional parts. We have some important remarks. Number one, if AD and AE are the bisector of the angle, exterior and interior. Okay, so we get the ratios. Interior, we have the ratios here. As we said, it's called AG, so write A and A, G and G, and the other two letters of the triangle, which is B and C. So here B and C. Okay, here the ratio from AG bisect interior the triangle. Okay, طيب if AE bisect the angle A exterior, also we have the relation, which is right AE, right here A and A, E and E, the other two sides, which is B and C. What did you notice from these two relations? Here we have AB over AC equals EB over EC, and also AB over AC equals DB over DC. It means in EB over EC equals BD over DC. So the base BC divides internally at D and divides externally at E, we get the same ratio. Okay, and also we notice that in AD is perpendicular to AE, which make the angle DAE is 90 degree. Okay, this is the first remark. Okay, another remark, and the second remark, we need it in the choose. First, if AB greater than AC, then absolutely BD is greater than DC. It means in D near to C than B. Okay, another remark, if AB equals AC, we get here D is the midpoint, which is DB equals DC, and also D is at equal distance from B and C. The last one, if AB is smaller than AC, we get in DC is greater than BD. So here we have D is nearest to B than C. Okay, we need the three remarks in the choose. Okay, another remark, if AE in the three figures, AE is bisected the exterior angle of the triangle at A. Okay, first, if AB greater than AC, we get in BE, all BE is greater than EC. Okay, it means in E belongs to the ray BC. Also we need it in the choose. Okay, if AB here is equals to AC, we get in AE is parallel to BC. Finally, if AB is smaller than AC, we get EC is greater than EB. Okay, and E belongs to the ray CB. The last one, in the examples, like in the triangle here, if we have the triangle ABC and D is the bisect angle A. From here we get the ratios to get the length of BD or DC or AC or AB. Okay, if we want to get the length of the bisector, we have here a rule. Okay, يبقى to get the length of the bisector, we have a rule, which is AB times AC. Here again, if we have AB, C, and here D, we get the ratio, which is AB times AC minus BD times DC, interior or exterior. Okay, if you get the length and your calculator get math error, exchange this. يبقى exchange start from BD times DC minus AB times AC. Okay. If ABC is a triangle in which AB equals 8 centimeter, BC is 7 centimeter, and AC is 6 centimeter. Okay. And CD is Y plus 2. We have here AD bisect angle A externally. يبقى since AD bisect angle A, we get the ratio. The bisector is called AG. يبقى write A and A, G and G. The other two letters which is BC. So here B and here C. Okay. By substitution, therefore AB, which is 8 centimeter, over AC, which is 6, equals BD, which is 7 plus Y plus 2. 7 plus Y plus 2 over DC, which is Y plus 2. Okay. Simplify. Here 8 over 6. By simplify, it will be 4 over 3 equals. Here 7 plus 2, it will be 9. So here Y plus 9 over Y plus 2. Make cross multiplication. Therefore 4 and open 2 brackets, because here we have 2 terms. Y plus 2 equals 3Y plus 9. Multiply. Therefore Y times 4 equals 4Y plus here 8 equals 3 times Y, which is 3Y, plus 3 times 9, which is 27. Collect Y together. So 4Y minus 3Y equals 27 minus 8. Therefore 4 minus 3Y, which is Y, equals 19. Okay. By substitution, يبقى therefore here we know the length of DC and DB. يبقى the length of DC, which is Y plus 2, يبقى 19 plus 2. يبقى DC equals 19 plus 2, which is 21. And the length of BD, which is 7 plus Y plus 2, يعني 9 plus 19, which is 28. Okay. Here we get the value of Y. Okay. To get the value of X, here is the bisector. We said before the bisector AD equals BD times CD minus BA times AC. All of this under the square root. Therefore, since AD equals BD times CD minus the sides of the triangle, which is AB times AC, all of these under the square root, equals BD equals 28. Multiply 21 minus AB, which is 8. Multiply 6 minus 8 times AC, which is 6. All of this under the square root, equals square root 540, which is 6 root 15 centimeter. Okay. So the value of X equals 6 root 15. So as X equals AD. Okay. Here we have the converse of the theorem. If we get the ratio, then we called in AD is bisect angle BAC. If we have the ratio of BD over DC is the same of the ratio between BA and AC. So here we called AD is bisect angle BAC. For example, if ABCD is a quadrilateral, BA is 7.5, BC is 5 centimeter, and CD is 4 centimeter. Here AD is 6 centimeter. Okay, and we have DE bisect angle ADC and intersect AC at E. Prove that. Okay, since first we have bisector which is DE, write the ratio. يبقى since we talk about the triangle AGE, يبقى in triangle ACD since in ال ED bisect angle ADC. Okay, يبقى we get the ratio as we said EG. يبقى right here E, G, and D, the other two letters of the triangle which is AC. يبقى right A and C. Okay, by substitution here EA which is we don't know, يبقى EA over EC also we don't know equals AD which is 6 over DC which is 4 by simplify which is 3 over 2. So the ratio between AE and EC is 3 over 2 and called it number 1. I will write it. Here we have EA over EC equals 3 over 2 and said it number 1. Okay, type in the triangle ABC since in the triangle ABC we want to get the ratio between AB and AC and BC. If this ratio is 3 over 2, so we said in BE is bisect angle B. يبقى first get the ratio between BA and BC. يبقى since AB or BA over BC equals 7.5 over BC which is 5, we get 3 over 2. يبقى from 1 to 2 we get therefore AB over BC equals EA over EC. يبقى therefore which is the bisector? We said the bisector is, take the common letter here which is B, common letter here which is E. Okay, يبقى BE bisect angle B which is ABC. Okay, another example. Here we have the length of BC is 8 centimeter, AD is 6 centimeter, so we called AD is X and BD is 6 minus X. Okay, we have two bisectors, يبقى we have two ratios. يبقى since here we have AM bisect the angle BAC, we get the ratio which is and CM bisect angle ACB. Okay, how? Because here M is the point of concurrence, the point of concurrence of BM which is bisector and AM which is bisector and intersect at M, so we get CM also is a bisector. Therefore here we write since here M is the point of concurrence or the point of intersection of the bisector. يبقى we get and CM also is bisect angle ACB. So we have the ratios. Therefore, as we said, write A يبقى AD AC وهنا DB وهنا CB. okay, equals AD which is X. يبقى here we have X over DB which is 6 minus X equals AC which is 4 over CB which is 8, and make cross multiplication. Here 4 over 8 equals half. Okay, here cross multiplication X times 2 and 6 minus X times 1. I will write it again. X over 6 minus X equals half. Make cross multiplication, we get here X times 2 which is 2X equals any number times 1 equals itself. Moved X in the other side by plus يبقى 2X plus X equals 6. We get in 3X equals 6. Move 3 in the other side يبقى 6 divided 3 which is 2. Which is X? The length of AD. يبقى AD equals 2 centimeter, and he want to get the length of AD. Okay, thank you.